Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to find out the bill amount of a user if a user making a call more than 100 or 100, and the given scenario as in you can see it in number of the calls. So if a user makes a call 100 in a month, then he should be charges 500, and if he goes more than 200 more than 100 and somewhere equal to the 200, then we need to add 1 rupees per call extra. And similar for the 200 to 300, we need to add 1.20 per call extra plus the rental charges nothing but 500, which is a base price, you can say. So above 300 it's gonna be 1.50 and plus the rental charges. So without wasting any time, let's just jump into a video and start making it. So I'm gonna start by putting long phone number, phone, and let's say string name and int, and which is number of the calls, and let's say we name it amount as a double. So it can, because it can come in a in decimal, so basically put it in the long because integer won't hold the value after the decimal. So let's create now, let us create now constructor using field above all but not the amount. Okay, let's remove it, super from here, and now I'm gonna make a method which is compute, compute, and inside it we will write our logic. So which is gonna be if n is equal to the 100, which is number of the cars equal to 100, then what gonna be the amount? Let's say amount is gonna be the base price is gonna be the 500. Else if number of the call greater than equal to 200, then we need to add amount equals to n number of the calls minus 200, sorry 100, because it's gonna be more than 100, then it lies in this 200 category, and for that we need 1.2 plus base price, which is 500. Else if n equals to greater than less than equal to 300, then amount is gonna be first of all it's gonna be base price, which is 100. 100 is gonna be like for the call, which is 100, so 100 plus n minus 200 more than 200 into 1.5. Is it 1.5 or what? Let me just check. Sorry, so more than 100 and 200 it is 1, and 200 300 1.2. Okay, so let's make it 1, and it's 1.2, yes, and base price. Similarly, else for if caller is having a more than 300, then amount is gonna be amount 100 is for 100 calls, and then more 100 calls, like 200 calls के लिए we need to write it 1.2 and plus n minus 200, sorry 300, as we are checking for a 300 above, into 1.5 plus base price. Now after that we'll print out what is the, let's say your total bill for this month for phone number which is gonna be phone this dot phone, sorry, for phone number this is AMT, and now after this we will call the main method. Let's say tell call to new, and let's put it a number like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and name let's say John, and number of the calls let's say 230, and now let's call the method which is call.compute, and now let's run it if we get the value or we have some error. So when we run it, we can see it here, your total bill for this month for phone number this is 614. A little bit of correction in this code, I have by mistaken put it as a plus here, which is meant to be into, but I have corrected now. Let's test it for the for 212 10 calls, and we will test it by running through the code. So when I put it here, it will give you 6112, and if I put it this 210 in, which is basically more than 200, so it lies in a category of here. So if we put it here, which is basically gonna be 100 plus number of the calls is 210 minus 200 into 1.2 plus 500, which will give us 100 plus 12 plus 500. As you can see, it's gonna be 6112. So according to it, our answer is coming correct. So thanks guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Bye.